how to add Sapphire plugin in After Effects. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add the Sapphire plugin in After Effects. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up Chrome on your device. Over here, type Sapphire plugin in the search bar and click on the first link. After that, click on download for free trial and select the path where you want to download Boris FX on your device. Then, once the download is complete, extract the Boris FX zip file. After that, click on the Boris FX installer. Then, click Yes on the prompt and wait for the installation to begin. Once the Sapphire prompt appears, if you have an activation key, type it over here. Otherwise, select the free version. After that, click Install below. Then select After Effects and Premiere Pro over here and tap on Install at the top. The installation will start automatically and may take a while. Once installed, open Adobe After Effects. Go to the left panel and click on Effects and Presets. Then you will see the Sapphire plugin added successfully. So that's how you can add the Sapphire plugin in After Effects. That's all for this video.